What I'm doing right now is replacing some siding. I've also replaced these over here. One chip corner over here led me to two pieces. Here we have another chip corner, and I marked right over here. I'm going to cut that with my tile saw, okay, my grinder, and then we have nails. This is the nails for the siding, okay, or fence nails. Water, Gatorade, tape measure, chisel, hammer. Of course, you need a square, triangle, square, okay. A tripod to hold your camera, and about that's it. Let's get to work. Now you want to pull it. Pull it. All right, this one came out easy. Sometimes there's nails over here and not that easy. I'm trying to check this off. There we go. Moving the. Oh. Seventeen and a half. Double check. 17. 17 and a half. What the hell am I? 17 and a half. Oopsie. What I want to say is never hold your fingers in front of the blade when you cut. Always on the side. Even if you cut with the left hand, just hold it here. Never on the front. Because you don't want the blade to, to go on you. You guys take it on the end because it leaves these rough edges. Just the blade so do this. Very nice edge over here. This is from stock, so it's fine. But see this one? Instead of a cut like that. See what a difference? See? Okay guys, here we are. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. Smile. Cheese. Alright guys, we found another one. Here, I'm gonna change this siding. I'm gonna change this piece right here. I'm gonna cut this. Already marked. I'm gonna get my glasses. Saw. Let's do it. The chisel. So I'll leave this time. I'll leave the nails here, but what I have to do is see either I'm gonna have to niche out a little bit just to go inside so we don't interfere with the nails. Okay. All right. Now the length, you can measure with the tape measure, but since I got this on my hand, look, I'm just gonna flip it. Look, flip, okay, and mark. As you're holding it, yep, put it against this and mark here. Take your triangle square, mark, cut, and then But you need to do that, cut them out. You cut them in here. Right here you go. Oh, I have it right here. Okay. You can even take the hammer and then get so take a look at the edge. Right, where the this bit over here, this nails. Do a little more. Yep. Another one. But I don't know, you guys, these things, something on it, so it doesn't go long. Right, 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 right. You guys got the line. Put it in place. Something is holding one over here, so I have to clean it up. Okay, there's a piece of siding right over here, so let's just cut this out, and then it'll be fine. All right. Okay. And it still goes to the inside, so okay. Put something over here and hammer it, not underneath. I'll use it. We gotta cut some more. And that's gonna go about this much more. Yeah, so see, you have to cut all this here, that corner. This way. Okay. That's it. That's perfect. Okay, so same ends up over here. I can see it. We're gonna put something else right here. And then one over here. That's all it needs. A wet towel. Can you do this? Perfect.
Hello, say hi.
Hello to my wife. She's here.
What's up?
Good. Okay, here's the finished product. We've got nothing to do. Just change some siding at your house. Thank you guys for watching. I hear the wife in the background saying, "That would be great, honey." John is right. All right. Don't stay too much on that couch. All right. Thank you for watching. Go to the next video. Thank you.